Hey, hi everybody, this is Rajesh, and today I have come up with a very wonderful topic that talks about the mental health. Obviously, we know that we are having physical health as well as mental health, but the mental health is the area where we are not focusing on in most of the cases. We people are more aware about exercises, diet, running, walking, doing this and that kind of physical activity, but we have never given a thought about our mental health. And that's the reason I thought, why not create a short video where I can talk a little bit about of mental health, and that is very important to live a beautiful life in today's days. How will you identify yourself whether you are mentally ill or you are having a sound mental state in your mind? If you are having the problem of anxiety, if you are taking a lot of stress, and if you are in the depression, it is a pure symptom that you are mentally ill and you need to do something to lead a better life. But if you are not in that state, then good luck for the rest of the life. Reason being, if you are mentally sound, it means you are having a healthy life. These days many people talk about their physical health, but hardly there are people who talks about the mental health. And that's the reason I thought, why not create a short video where I can give you some few tips and tricks which can really help you to understand the mental health. But the question remains the same. First of all, I need to know what exactly is the mental health all about, because we have never given it a thought. But let me give you a very crystal clear understanding. If you are in the stress, if you are having the anxiety, and if you are in the depression, then you are mentally ill and you need to do something to get out of that mental state of your mind. But I have seen that people just not getting accepted that they are in the stress, they are having the depression, and they are having the anxiety. So let me give you a very clear cut parameter. Based on that you can figure it out that whether you are having the mental problem or not. If you are not able to perform well in your office work, then you are having the stress. If you are not resilient, if you are not able to cope up with the general problem in your life, then you need to think about it, because you are going in that zone. If you are not good in maintaining the relationship, then you are having that kind of problem. If you are not able to manage the things, simple things in your life, then you need to think about again of your mental health. So these are certain characteristic, or these are certain parameters. Based on that you can evaluate yourself that whether you are going in the right direction or in the wrong direction. But don't worry, if you are having, or if you are a victim of these kind of things, you don't need to worry much about, because we are having so many resources available these days. By utilizing those resources, you can easily come out with anxiety, stress and depressions. But you must be thinking, what are those resources? Do I need to contact any kind of medical practitioner or any doctor who can help me to come out with from my anxiety? No, not at all. If you are having a simple problem, then you don't need to visit any kind of psychiatrist. So you need to do some kind of yoga, sadhana to come out of that mental state of your mind. You need to start interacting with your friends and family and in your social circle. You don't need to be with you all the time, because it will not help you to come out with the mental illness of you. There are so many YouTube channels that you can start following to get positive mindset, and that will really help you to come out with your mental illness. So nothing to worry about. Just try to figure out whether you are in the positive side of mental health or you are in the negative side of your mental health, and based on that you can start practicing these kind of things to come out from here and live a healthy life. Because in this world, living a healthy life is really very challenging these days, and let me assure you that living a healthy life is not a kind of challenge, because you need to be aware yourself what are the things which is required to live a healthy life. Always money doesn't matter, because I have seen many of the time people always run after the money. But let me tell you, money cannot give you peace of mind. It will not help you to live healthy, because physical health and mental health both requires you to be with yourself.